Do you guys like them? Thought they were pretty convenient looking things, but I thought I had to wire them. Guess what? They're just little batteries. You put them in your bar ends, and then you tighten them. You just tighten the end. Sorry, tighten this, and this will pull in, making this fatter, the rubber part. Okay, so they're pretty cool. Stealth. And you push the end when you're turning. Left side, right side, say. Turning. Your handlebars are right, your grips are right here, so what are you gonna do with your pinky? Oh, or you could keep them lit. Right side. Let's see the other hand. Drive right hand. I'm turning. Or you could turn and then just hold it after you make the turn, and then just down the street. Pretty cool, right? AliExpress, $5. Not bad. 3 weeks wait though. Have fun, guys.